Kenya na Malaysia nigo yabekire ese yokoigwana ili gukora oboncheria hamo bunenchire yamo yokorenta amagendero imeyense ya Kenya. Okwana umurai wense Dr. William Ruto ni gainekia ogosira na gwechinse Ebirengo oboncheria no kuigeka eni basensemo yechisemi na boigo obotumeki bwechinchira chekerero asekiringa yokoegenderia. Mulikito Debora Kirubo na mange.
Serikali ya Kenya na Malaysia nigo chiabekire seyo kuiwanana iliyogokore biasaramo bunenchire yemo yokorenta magenderero imeyense. Waziri manene o Malaysia uyo manyakanete buna Anwar Ibrahim uyo imeyense ya Kenya setarobene niga yatogirio muroberio bwe serikali bubwagachiwe chinyomba chirigo lirianse korengana nere muroberio yo nigo gochia gokonya bataka abo batabwatyo bamenya konyora se baramenye.
Like you, is very passionate about poverty alleviation, about housing for the poor, for the masses. And when I learned this ambitious program, over 150,000 units of housing, affordable housing and housing for the poor, I mean, this exemplifies the spirit of remarkable leadership, not only striving for power, but to make sure that the power is utilized fully in the true spirit of the Kenyatta struggle to champion and assist your people. So that to me means more pronounced than the other issues that we will deliberate tomorrow, which include, of course, areas like investments and trade to enhance. There's no excuse whatsoever for Malaysia and Kenya not to work together to enhance our bilateral relations and the trade investments.
Umurai wense William Ruto uyokwana sege karekyo nigayane kyo kagendera kubwaterana ninse ya Malaysia chinga Kenya na Malaysia chaiwere chigosirana asokorenta magenderero wetoro bonchirelia no kwegeke nibo chisemi amone chinchira chekerero chemitandao.
We look forward to walking this path alongside Malaysia, drawing from the friendship, shared inspiration and aspirations, and the rich experience your nation has gained on its own journey of transformation. As I told you, Mr. Prime Minister, I have been to your great country 3 times on private visit because I have read a lot about Malaysia, and it was something that inspired me to even think about many of the things that today we are doing in Kenya, including your housing plan.
Ukwana sege karekyo Ibrahim nigayane kyo kubwaterana wense ya Kenya na Malaysia chinga kibonense yo yerure korenta magenderera sense ya Kenya korengana no murai wense nigarachiye kogendereria umuroberio buko bekense mo chiringi trillion isano iryo kwenekia bekenya nkonyara barobo koreri bogwenerete igati yabo obolemi obwagachiwe chibara amono kobeka chinguru cyomuliro.
We will share the little expertise we have in semiconductor, E&E, and we're sure we can learn from you because although the stride in terms of development is maybe more recent than ours, but with your determination, I think you will be a star in Africa.
We are advancing our Kenya shillings 5 trillion plan to invest in our people, expand agricultural productivity, build world-class infrastructure, and power our industries with reliable, abundant energy.
Debora Kirubo, Nsoko TV.